Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's currently raining slime, and I said we were going to fight King Slime in this video, so this is kind of perfect. So I'm going to go to an arena I've made in the Crimson. I've made a GPS, I just made a watch real quick. This is the arena I made. I will upgrade it soon, so when I get the mechanic, eventually, I'll put like a little actuator with a activated lava pit, and when I beat Golem and get the pixel, I'll put some like spears around the sides, and then obviously soon I'll like make it taller. So you know, it's a good arena. Now we just gotta kill enough slimes for King Slime to spawn. Hopefully we can get some banners and speed it up. Okay, I got a banner. Put it on here because this is where the actuators are gonna go. Actually, I'm gonna go get an iron skin because I want to be safe. Because I know if I get an iron skin, I can do it. So I got an iron skin and a banana split. Oh, okay, that's a lot of slimes at my front door. Oops. No, I'll just go around here because we're not at the arena right now. Okay. Dead. Right, I'll, do we have a... No, we don't have a mount yet. Hopefully we can get the slimy saddle. I don't know, I think there might be an increased chance of it in expert mode, but I'm not sure. Hopefully we can even get the King Slime to spawn in the first place. Right. Keep on killing slims. Come on. I wonder how slime rages happens. Do you think like the King Slime just starts shooting them out of cannons and then realizes, oh, we're not doing anything, and then sends himself? I think that's what happens. I don't know. It's pretty messed up to use your own things as cannons. As like ammo for cannons, I mean. Pretty weird. I might put a speed up on this part. If I do, I don't know. Ooh, Chimera banner. Finally, I've been wanting one of those. Now, banners do take up spots, but it's only one, because they all stack into one banner. Oh, you don't. It's not small enough to have both buffs. Okay, that's fine, I guess. I'll just go over here if I want to kill slimes, which I currently want to do right now. I wonder if I can get a face monster banner. Maybe I already have. Don't I already have one? No, I don't. Die, Chimera. What if we've run out of bullets? No, we won't. Well, we won't. Nah. I'll just use the harpoon while we're waiting for him to spawn. Oh, okay. Let me just kill this face monster. Okay, you are a little idiot for escaping me. Ooh, 110 damage, that was kinda cool. I mean, it was a blue slime, so I got the banner, but that was kinda cool for this stage of the game. Must be the fossil armor. It's helping. King Slime, can you spawn, please? I'm waiting. This is taking forever. Keep missing. Slimes can't go through platforms, so I can't even lure them down. Oh my god, how am I missing? How? That? This is why I need a sword in my inventory, even though I'm going like ranged. Oh, I got sickle. Yes. Everything that touches me shall die. Get sickled on. Okay, that's not really that good. I'll just use the Undertaker because it shoots slow, so I won't really run out of bullets with it. Still does a lot of damage as well, so just slower. I have slimes advancing on me. My aim is kind of terrible, not gonna lie. But yeah. By the way, I have a residential next week, so don't expect me to post on Tuesday and Thursday this week, because I won't, because I'm not going to be at home, because I'm residential. And while I'm gone, I think Terraria 1.4 will release, and I'm really excited for it, because we get thingies, you get, I don't know what to call them, you get loadout things that you get to select, and that'll be cool because that means I can like have multiple classes on me at once, which is like finally, jeez. Oh, some of these slimes just died. I bet the king slime gets so angry right now. Come on, just spawn already. Already killed like a billion of you. Where is he? Where is this fat gelatin? Seriously? Another blue slime banner. I guess I'll put it over here. So then I can kill slimes wherever I am. Ooh, burger. You know what? Now, which one's better? Major? Ooh, burger's better. Okay, king spawn now. I don't want to have to use my harpoon against it. Come on, just spawn. Okay, this is getting slightly annoying now. Huh. Huh. No. Ah. Okay. You can spawn now, King Slime. Look, like you, the King Slime not spawning is just like annoying because he's just delaying the fight, you know? He's just delaying the fight. He's making us wait for our entertainment. There was also a goody slime over here. Okay, this better be the last slime. It wasn't. There should be like a boss bar that tells you how many slimes you need to kill. Like they added to the pillars. Oh, they just spawned. Oh, he's here. I just used a mining potion and a spelunker. it! Ooh, king slime! Yeah, king slime! I wanted to fight him first, but the Ivy really wanted to show up, and it just stopped. Okay. Oh yes, we got a green slime banner! Yay! Let me put that down. Yes, let's go. Okay. Whoa, that's so much. Yes, I got the slimy saddle. Let's go. Got so many buffs. Okay, so I've got ninja. Solidifier. Yes. Let me see. Just made the minecart now. Ninjas, all classes. I got better stuff. Let's go back home. I do have a lot of money because I was farming some egg fillers off camera. I'm gonna get rid of this, it's annoying me. So yeah, look at this, 59 gold. Yeah, so solidifier. Yeah, where am I gonna put it? If you're wondering, the arena was the build I was gonna do today. I just didn't feel like putting it in the video because, like, it's me placing down platforms. Like, what do you expect? I've got to put the solidifier up here. Yay, slime blocks. Ooh, I can make a mana crystal. Actually, no, I'm already I'm already full. Ooh, royal gel. Yeah, I forgot about that. I gotta put all this stuff away now. This goes in here. Oh, I got so much gel. Finally, I have gel. I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna get some more ammo in a sec. There. I have grass seeds on me. It's not really a weapon, but I'll put the slime gun in here. Because it might as well be a weapon. Ninja stuff. And royal gel, which is an accessory. So items. Alright, let me go buy some bullets. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to go check out some floating islands. So, yeah. Alright guys, I got my potions. Let's go. I do already have an iron skin because of the fight. Alright, let's go this way. I only have one, so this better be the way with all the stuff. Please, game. I hope so. Because there's usually one side of all the islands, and the other side has like one. And you get, if you pick that one first, you get sad. Ooh, was that one? Oh, I thought I saw one. Okay. So we are just doing this now. Whee. Am I missing some? Yeah, I probably am. Maybe, I don't know. If you're wondering why I did this with this, so I can move far. Oh, we found one. Wrong keybind. Yeah, it's just so I can move faster when I'm on the island. Star Fairy, I said I needed a melee weapon. Bye bye harpoon. You were useful, but you know I can't really use you. I'm bad at using you. This is just so I have something to use, so I don't waste my bullets. Okay. Plus it's full zenith, so you know. Oops! I want these. Thank you. Okay, bye. Alright, let's go get some more sky stuff. I want a balloon. That's most preferred. Right now. Ooh, another one. Okay. I think this is a large world. I'm not sure though. Ooh, we got the wings. Okay. Sunflowers. Ooh. Okay, let's go. Gets a bit dark in space, so I'll use that. Because why not? Another one. Oh, it's a sky lake. Whee! Sky lake. Oh, I can use fishing here. Where are we? We are above the crimson. Because we have like a bunch of those in our world. Whee! I've only seen one harpy, and I think it despawned. Oh, there's another one. Right on cue as well. Ooh, okay, gonna switcheroo. Ooh, there's another one. Come on, balloon, balloon, balloon. Balloon, balloon. Please be a balloon. Yes! Let's go. Oh, let's actually go. We're getting so much good stuff. Oh, my thing's gone. Let's see where we land. I'm ready to equip these in case we don't. Oh, we're gonna land in the jungle. Oh, we're landing in water. Okay. Right, let's go back. So we got a sky mill. I think I'm gonna save this for a build, maybe. Yeah, I think. Is there only one way to get cloud blocks? I think there is. Okay, let me just dump a bunch of trash in here. So I've got this. Not really trash, it's just decoration. That. Let me just quick stack to nearby chests. Oh yeah, I forgot I got another harpoon, so that'll quick stacks as well. Sort items. Yes. So shine potions here. Sort items. Jeez, look at that. Bombs can go in the Weapione's chest. Cause why not? Right, is there anything I want to use in here? No, not really. Right, let's go sort out my accessories. Do we have a lucky horseshoe? I think we don't. I just looked in the chest. I should know. Get this. Cloud. I mean, I am gonna equip the wings. I really don't know why I need a lucky horseshoe balloon. It's just useful, you know. It's useful to like upgrade all your stuff to the maximum, I guess. Move that out of there. Okay. Maybe a magiluminescence. I don't know. I mean, we did move pretty fast, but that's because of swiftness, right? Let's see how slow we move. Without the magiluminescence, it's like this. And with it, it's like, hold on. So, without it, it's 30 miles per hour. With it, it's 36. That's not that fast, that much faster. So, I'm gonna equip the wings, hold on. I want to reforge them. Where's Goblin Man? Goblin Man, come here. I want to reforge my cool new wings. I think these are really cheap to reforge, actually. Yeah, 6 silver. Whoa, ding. Or menacing. Whatever comes first. Okay, menacing it is. I think I might be able to go full menacing. Because, this is only expert mode, and I'm pretty good at expert mode now, I think, actually. Alright, this can go in my chest. Let's see how high we can fly. Ooh, bells, please. Oh, let's go. That's insane. I always thought these wings were like really bad, but that's actually really good. Oh, that's sick. Oh, that's really cool. Right, let me... is somewhere in here. Yeah, there we go. Let's fly back up. Oh, now I don't take full damage as well. Let's go. Oh, his wings are so good. Right, guys, that'll be into today's video. It's probably really short, but I just want to let you know that I'm really proud of this video, even though it's really short. So, I think we've done enough for today. Like and subscribe. Bye.